Living in Knoxville, your windows face everything from humid summers to chilly winters, not to mention storms and heavy rain. Over time, windows can wear out, making your home less comfortable and more expensive to heat or cool. Replacing them at the right time can save you money and improve your home's value and comfort. Here are some clear signs it might be time to replace your Knoxville windows. Drafts and air leaks. One of the biggest clues your windows need replacing is if you feel drafts or notice uneven temperatures in certain rooms. Old windows often lose their seal, letting outside air sneak in. Not only does this make your home uncomfortable, but it also forces your HVAC system to work harder, driving up your energy bills. Rising energy bills. If you've seen your heating or cooling costs spike without any other changes, your windows might be to blame. Single-pane or worn-out double-pane windows lose their efficiency over time. Modern energy-efficient windows can dramatically cut your energy costs, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Difficulty opening or closing windows should glide open and shut smoothly. If they stick, jam, or feel heavy, it might be a sign of warping, water damage, or broken hardware. Not only is this inconvenient, but it can also be a safety risk in emergencies when you need to get out quickly. Condensation or fog between glass panes. Double and triple pane windows rely on a sealed space filled with insulating gas. If you see condensation or a foggy look between the panes, the seal has failed, allowing moisture in. This means the window's insulating power is gone, and you'll need to replace it to regain efficiency. Noticeable damage, cracks, chips, or rotting frames are clear signs it's time to upgrade. Even small cracks can grow and allow water to seep in, causing further damage to your walls and framing. Rotten or warped frames, often caused by Knoxville's humidity and rainfall, can also create mold and structural issues. Outside noise getting louder. If you suddenly notice more street noise or hear your neighbor's dog barking louder than before, your windows might have lost their soundproofing abilities. Modern windows are designed to reduce outside noise, helping you maintain a peaceful home environment. Faded furniture and flooring. Older windows often do a poor job blocking UV rays, which can cause your carpets, hardwood floors, and furniture to fade. Newer windows come with low emissivity, low E, coatings to protect your interiors from the sun's harsh rays. Outdated appearance. Windows are a big part of your home's curb appeal. If yours look worn, outdated, or no longer match the style of your house, it might be time to upgrade. New windows can transform your home's look, giving it a fresh, updated style while boosting its resale value. Excessive moisture or mold. Condensation on the inside of windows can eventually lead to mold growth. Mold isn't just ugly, it can also be a health risk. If you see recurring moisture problems near your windows, replacing them can help protect your family's health and your home's structure. Time for a change? Replacing your windows is an investment, but it's one that pays off in lower utility bills, better comfort, and improved safety. If you've noticed any of these warning signs, consider talking to a local Knoxville window specialist. A professional can inspect your current windows, recommend options, and help you choose styles that fit your budget and your home's character. Don't wait until problems get worse. Fresh, energy-efficient windows can make your Knoxville home more beautiful, safer, and ready for whatever the Tennessee weather brings.